Hello YouTube, this is Andrew, and I'm showing you a video here on using the VLookup formula to do an autofill, which I recently had to do for a client at a place I'm recently working at right now. So just click this nice little drop-down menu and hit, and there it goes. Autofills all the way out, and it fills out in Excel. All right, so and again, because I copied all this down so you can see the NA. Don't worry about that. It could just get filled in. So, see? All right. Okay, so, and let's begin, and I'll show you how I did this. All right, so basically, now pretty much I deleted everything. I deleted that last part here because I'm going to go from scratch right here for you. All right, so we have what we were trying to look up. We want to look up this information right here. See? And okay, so you have this information right here, and instead of manually entering it in, we're going to do pretty much an autofill. And how we accomplish this is you go to the Data tab. I'm already in the Data tab, so at Home, Data, and you go on to the Text to Columns part, and there's a Data Validation part. Okay, now you can do different ways in doing this, but you're going to select a list and your source, and this is the part that does the drop down. Okay, so when you saw me do a drop down, that was it. Okay. So you're just going to select this. Well, let's do that. All right. Select whatever you want it to be the drop down, and you can add a little more extra space in case anything else from any more items happen from that point on. And exit out and hit OK. Now, see, here's your drop down. Okay, now let's go ahead and copy this down a little further. All right. Well, I'll just delete that. Either way, well, we got information in there. Okay, so either way. All right, so let's get the first one in. Okay, so now how we do this, how we get this to autofill, you're going to use what's known as the VLookup formula. And they have an automated part to show you on the formulas. So I'll show you that way. That's one of the easiest ways to figure these out. So I want to get the quantity on hand, which is technically the quantity order that we had, or you name it. And I want to get the wholesale price. And of course, I want to get the item, or let's say, yeah, either way. So, wait, let me add one other field over here. Obviously, we need the product. There you go. Oh, and yeah, one thing, in case you're noticing this though, see it did that automatically. Gave this, so you can remove this all the way down. Go to your Data tab again. And I guess it was a good thing that happened there. Let's go to Data Validation again. Yeah, hit yes. And hit Clear All. So there you go. It's gone. Okay, I guess it was a good thing that happened, so you can see how to do that. All right, and we're going to go to the VLookup formula. So we're going to go to Formulas. And I already had this in here. I've been looking at it a lot, but let's just go, we're going to find that. So it's going to go up to Lookup and Reference and VLookup. Now the interesting thing about this is that it looks vertical. It looks horizontal pretty much on what you're going to find. So I want to look up whatever I put in here. See, it shows what happens there. And I want to get this out of the table array in here. Just click that to get everything. Now what you want to do is you want to hit F4 to make this a absolute. So everything's going to it's not going to, trust me, I'll explain a little bit later. And now column index, let me see it. Column index, let's put it at 2. So if you go, it's like, for instance, like you go to this, your information, column index, literally your column. So like tables, so that's your row, this is your column. So if you want out of column 2, which I want to get that, I want to get the item, okay? So let's go back, and I know this is showing this right here, but so let's go back, delete this, and hit 2. All right, and we want to get the exact information. So you see, look right over there, it's saying controller. So you hit false. I'll even say it. Range lookup. See, true. I mean, it's like an approximate, close match. To find the exact match, you're going to hit false. Okay, hit OK, and there we go. Let's just fill this down. See, I put too much in there, so let me. There we go. So see. All right, and quantity on hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. Paste. Now, it's not going to get anything because you got to just change a little bit out. So we want the lookup from C. So you want, all you do is just take the D and change it to a C. Hit enter. And well, got that. So we want to get the information on the quantity on hand. So that is the, well, or the item ordered. So that's going to be column 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So column 4. And hit enter. There we go. And copy that all down. And quantity sold, we're going to enter that in. The wholesale price, we're going to get that as well. So hit Control V. And let's change this to, again, our C. And let's hit enter for right now. Let's look. So the wholesale price, that's, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5. Okay, so it's 5. Enter. There you go. All right, let's make this into a currency. Oh, it was already currency. Let's make sure of that. Retail. Make sure of that earlier. Profit and currency. Okay. Now this little part here, Joe Bob. Okay, so quantity sold. Let's sell one product. And retail at, I don't know, $3.50. And of course, let's try and put a formula in there just to make something out of it. So parentheses. Let's see here. The quantity sold. Okay, so the retail minus the wholesale. Parentheses, then times the quantity sold. There we go. There's our profit. And tap it down. All right, so next customer, Susan. Let's say we sold 5. And the wholesale, oh wait. Oh, yeah, let me copy that down. There we go. Okay. And let's see what we sold 5 at 32.58. Let's make it up numbers. There we go. So there we go. We're going to go all day. We could, wait, let me do all day with this. And it's just literally looking up every bit of information you want to put down there. All right. Well, glad you liked this. Well, hope you like this. And let me know if you have any questions, concerns, gripes, complaints. Anyways, just let me know in the comments. Contact me. It'd be great to help out if any situation. All right. Have a great day, and thank you. Hello, YouTube. Hi. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And under any comments, let me know what other questions you might have, or any programs, anything else you might want me to show on here. And of course, you contact me at the information listed on this spot right here. And thank you so very much for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon.